Cities4Forests is working with cities around the world, and we are helping cities to take more action on forests, restoration, woodlands, and climate.
Fantastic. I mean, we've just issued our new climate strategy. It's in draft at the moment, but I think projects like this, planting trees, is so important with regards to offsetting our carbon emissions, the ones that we can't reduce. Also, they're so beautiful, aren't they?
And the Greater London Authority and the Mayor are really keen on projects like this, about trying to reforest some of our green belt and our towns.
What we really need to do is now tackle the climate and ecological emergency. And here we've got examples. Planting trees, it's fantastic.
So they're also really good for wildlife because they're like home to squirrels and birds and all types of insects which live there.
And I've just seen a tree planted by a child about that big. In fact, the child was probably smaller than the actual tree sap.
We've got all ages out today, and there's a real feel-good factor. You are making a difference. We're getting some exercise and fresh air.
Green gym, as Kat says.
Yes, green gym. So please join us next time.